We're gonna use a lot less white.
Okay.
You sure that's clean?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Different order.
That one.
This has to get, I want to use the whole thing up, so.
There's only a little bit of this yellow, so that's
I don't like the yellow anyway, so. This is gonna be mostly blue.
Whoa. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's more than the white.
I know. This makes me want to blow dryer it instead of scraping it.
I think we should blow dryer it.
Yeah, let's do it. At least we know that will work. And you can throw them in here when they're done, because that'll be like the things to clean pile.
All of the pink?
Yeah, just dump it, because we need to move on to the next activity. But aim for more really this way, because I'm gonna. Really I have to put white there and then blow it. It's gonna be great. It's too much paint. It's sort of a waste.
Any yellow? Do you want to do yellow?
No, let's skip the yellow. I don't think the yellow is worth the trouble. It's just gonna mush. Like these other colors are so iridescent and cool. The yellow is kind of trash.
All of this one?
Yeah, do it this way though, so that it like doesn't keep pushing it over. We're running out of space on that.
I want to cover all the green though. Okay. Because the green is the silicone.
Alright. Ready? I want to move a little fast because I don't want this to... spill.
Wait, it's not centered.
That's not plugged in. I got it. Oh, it needs to be reset. Push that button. Thank you. So great. Whoa. Whoa. Wasting paint is really good. Oh my gosh, that's the most paint we ever used. And it looks so good.
Look at that. That looks nice.
I'm not going to blow it backwards. We should just tilt this around and that's it. Lesson learned.
Waste.
Use the paint. Use a ton of paint. Wow. That looks better than like the last... It's sorry, other painting, but this one's better looking.
Oh, definitely. And it doesn't have yellow.
Yeah.
Whoa, I like it.
Can you like go a little quicker so it doesn't
burn the paint?
Yeah. Alright, can I try tilting now?
Yeah.
Okay. We look like we know what we're doing. Wait.
I think we should move these.
Yeah, it seemed like a good idea. You know what we should do is move this tray. Now leave the tray. I was gonna say like live without the tray. This would be an opportunity to put the ugly purple here. That's the garbage paint because it's just gonna roll off.
It's gonna ruin it.
It's just gonna roll off though. Don't you?
Let's do the best we can.
All right. Well, actually, not waste. Like we're wasting material, but on a good.
Okay. Yeah.
Crack. What did I say? Crack eggs to make an omelet. Ugh. But I know it'll.
Push it that way.
Yeah, I know it'll even out. I don't mind losing some of those. They're cute, but they're not as awesome as this other stuff. This looks like some kind of peacock. I'm gonna put a little bit here. Hope we don't lose that. That's like feathery and.
Should we?
Yeah, you can sketch it in. Okay, looks good. I think I want to stretch this way because then it won't have as much mass, and then it'll. Oh, can I have that corner? Can I have the other one? I made two in the tissue box. Left, right there.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
It's kind of a square corner.
Well, it's because it was from a box that was that shape. That's really helpful. Good tool, Mommy.
Good
I saw
tool.
someone else do this on the internet. I can't say
Hey.
it's my idea. But I actually made it. Thank you. I hate to let that all fall off the edge,
Do
but
it this
it has to. Okay. But I need to let it drop a little bit or I'll have an ugly.
But I like the white on the end.
Yeah.
I like that white.
I think it'll still be there. Oh, shoot. I need another corner. I don't have any more corners, but you can get 2 pieces and hold it there. And let me do a little thingy here. So
You can always bend it like this.
probably won't really bend well, but sure. I'd rather hold 2 on. You take care of that. You figure it out. Ready?
Yeah. It's kind of small, but...
Yeah. Can you?
Okay, I'll hold 2 on.
You're flicking around the paint. Be careful. Remember when you take it off, you want it to like roll away, so it'll fall down. You know what I mean? Yeah, perfect.
It didn't really fall down.
I don't think we should have white on that corner. I think it should spill over because everything else spilled over.
Okay.
It's like a tapestry or something.
Do you want me to use the same ones? Because it's
Kind of doesn't matter now because, yeah, okay. But it's not like, oh, we need that so that it can make it to the next side. Okay.
Okay, now we can, wait, I want to use this side again.
Oh, shit.
Oh, we just put it on the ground.
I'm going over on the side here. You know that, right?
So yeah, so everything has rolled over.
It's got all this momentum. I can just stop.
Okay, now can we like go weirdo style?
No, this
So
is
it's
so
not
good.
one streak, it's like, but I like it when it's like.
I think this is it. I don't think there's more to be had.
May I do this thing?
No. Oh, I really like it like this. If you put small holes in it, it will have a different like story.
We can do whatever you want.
I love this. All right, how about if you do little bits, just like in that area, and we'll see what it looks like, because it could be that it looks really cool. I kind of don't want it everywhere. We gotta move to an area that's drip friendly. So bad. Where'd it go? Cool. I'd say that the yucky, boring parts, like here's mushy and here's mushy, I would do it there. What do you think?
Okay.
Quicker and closer.
Yeah, these didn't really have much underneath them. It's okay. It looks good.
This looks really cool. So what did we learn? Use.
Can I finish it?